Clinical trials are about people. They're personal. When I heard the words, "you have breast cancer," my first thought was, what treatments are there available for me? I'm here today, 15 years later, cancer-free because of people that took clinical trials, that were in a clinical trial. When you hear the words clinical and trial, most people think about labs, rats, placebo effects, people being abused who were Black and brown. But without the right medicines and treatments, people can't have longer lives. And so it's important to understand not just what a trial does, but who is behind the trial and why it matters to them. Trials are about responsibility. There's a quote that I say a lot, and it says, "Service is the rent we pay for a living." And so when you think about a life of service, what do you do to help other people become better, healthier, happier, and whole? For me, the responsibility I have as a breast cancer survivor, a breast cancer advocate, and a leader is to ensure that people trust in trials, but more so that they have the right options in time. The fact is that women of color, Black women in particular, mostly have untargeted treatments for their breast cancers. We have the most aggressive cancers, yet we're the least offered clinical trials, which means treatments don't work for our bodies. And so it's really important to me, as the founder of Tigerlily Foundation, and as a Black woman, to ensure that we have better treatment options for patients of all colors and for those who are Black and brown. The fact is that for some people, a trial drug could be the difference between 6 months more of life, a year of life, 20 more years of life, or weeks. So many friends of mine are alive because of clinical trials. I myself am alive because someone took part in a clinical trial. And so the clinical trial campaign that we're launching with this From Molecule to More Moments is really about people, about life, about revolution, and about hope. You see, the people that are behind these trials are like you and like me. They're mothers, fathers, sisters. They're men whose wives got breast cancer. There's somebody who lost a grandmother to a disease that they promised they would work to eradicate in their lifetime. You're gonna meet people that are really amazing, that spend their lives in the lab, that are patients who are alive because of a trial and having treatments that now can keep them here longer. We hope you enjoy watching this campaign. We hope that you're educated, empowered, and that you find it inspirational as well. Thanks for watching.